Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have a new spoiler for the No Make No Life September box. Now first, I'm going to show you what we already know about, and then I'll show you the new one. First of all, the theme for September is Blossoming Beauty. So everything is going to be flower inspired, and the first spoiler that we already found out about is the Glam Fox Fluorescent Lip Glow Lipsticks. Now these are pink shades and mood changing, so they change depending on the temperature of your body, and there are going to be 6 different designs. So you will get one of those in your box. So the new thing that we got is, I think this is Joe Techie 10-second morning sheet masks. Now there are, it looks like 2 different variations. There are going to be 32 sheets in one pack, so that's pretty neat. So as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, No Make No Life is linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.